Hello everyone, my name is Ashley. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. It has been such a long time since I posted on here, and I am so incredibly sorry about that. It got pretty hectic the past couple of months, as I'm sure that it's been for everyone, but I'm back and I'm excited and here to show you what I've been doing the past couple of months.
Space. Space. And Pewee. Good job. You get an A. That's the best thesis I've ever read.
As you can clearly see, I spent a lot of time outdoors with all the scenic shots that I was able to get you for this video. And I also spent way too much time at Michael's. Like, the amount that I've spent here in the past couple of months is ridiculous. So Michael's, please, if you're watching, sponsor me. The past couple of months, I have been working a lot on myself and bettering myself, and one of those things is working on my relationship with food. It's been a pretty hard journey, not gonna lie, but I have fell in love with cooking and looking forward to the meals that I'm gonna eat. And if I do say so myself, I think that this looks delicious. So I'm a senior in college, and this semester I treated myself to painting, photography, and drawing because I finished all my gen eds and major requirements, so I was like, why not make some cool art? On Halloween, the best holiday of the year, my boyfriend and I went to Six Flags, and honestly, we were really scared to go on the roller coasters. Him more than me, truthfully. But it was really fun. We went to all the haunted houses and we had a great time. And of course, to continue this festivities, my little cousins and I, hi Andy, hi Isa, went to Spirits to continue the festivities.
Looks like you need a little training. If here, up there, you'll be perfect in no time.
For our drawing final, we had to do a charcoal still life drawing, and I don't really like how it turned out. But for my first charcoal drawing, I'm fairly proud of it. I mean, there's always room for improvement, but in other news, I adopted a beautiful cat named Kenny. He is 8 years old. He loves to cuddle. He loves his canned cat food. What else can I tell you about him? He loves wearing sweaters. He loves laying by the Christmas tree. He also gets along with my insane dog, which is always a bonus, and the cuddle parties are amazing. These are some shots that I took for my photography class. I still don't know what I'm doing entirely, but I had a lot of fun with the class. And in my drawing class, we also did a contest, and I won. And as a psych major in a class full of art majors, I bet you can tell who was the most hated in the class after the contest. But I won a very cool Starbucks gift card, so thank you for everyone who voted for me. I will put you in my speech when I win awards. I'm just kidding. It was really cool winning the contest though. In painting, our final project was a self-portrait. We did oil paints, which was my first time ever using the medium, and I have to say, I really like it. Right after this class, I actually went to go to Michael's and I bought myself a whole new set of oil paints. It was hard and the process was long, but I really liked the outcome of the painting. So because I'm so amazing at staying on top of turning in assignments early, I started this painting the night before it was due. It's from my drawing class, and he just wanted to see another form of art that we could do outside of drawing. And so I chose to do acrylic paints. I started off with a base layer of gesso, and I started off with titanium white, phthalo blue, alizarin crimson, and whatever the color name for purple is. I started to just put colors wherever I wanted. I kind of just had more fun with the background than the strategic planning that I normally do. I wanted the background to look like cotton candy skies with a bunch of clouds, just so it kind of resembles what I think the Greek gods and goddesses would live in. I don't know how well you can hear me, but here's what we have so far. I wanted it to be very cloudy, very like, wow, I want to be flying in the sky right now. It's giving me middle school vibes, and it doesn't help that my room is dark and that I have all the lights on and I still can't really see. But this is what I get for starting my painting final at this hour. And next I'm going to wait for this acrylic to dry, and then I'm going to draw out a Greek sculpture. And I don't want the background to take away too much from the sculpture. We'll see where it goes. If not, I'll start over and just apologize to him. So this is the finished piece. I did absolutely no recording for it for my YouTube channel because I kind of forgot to, but I did post it on TikTok. If you want to follow me there, I post way more art stuff than I do on here. My professor loved it, and I ended up getting an A in the class, which was really nice. And he said that I should join the art contest next semester, which I will be looking forward to that as well. Thank you so much for watching. It was so nice being back here again, and I honestly really want to be posting more content out. So yeah, check me out on my other socials, and please leave a like and subscribe and comment what videos you want to see in the future. Bye!